Hi, welcome to another Ready Set Crypto video. So let's have a little thought experiment. Do you or someone you know use pharmaceuticals every day? Have you ever considered how they made it to their end consumer? Sure, they passed through the pharmacist's hands, but what came before that? Have you ever considered what the process of shipping pharmaceuticals from the distributor to the pharmacies might entail? Wouldn't it make you feel safer if they could make sure that the pharmaceuticals haven't been affected by environmental conditions during the shipping? In fact, European Union regulations that came out in 2013 required proof that all medicines are not being exposed at any point to conditions that may compromise their quality. This is medicine we're talking about. You know, if it's exposed to an environment outside of its acceptable range, then it can nullify its utility or even make it harmful. Diabetics, for example, need their insulin to be refrigerated at all times, or else it might not effectively control their blood sugars. So you want to prevent something like that. You want to have definitive proof that the medicine was always kept at the correct temperatures, humidity, etc. And so that's the impetus behind this law. This is a new European Union law, but similar regulations in the US are likely to follow. Now, it must be understood that the way this law is written requires shipping and logistic companies to demonstrate that each and every medicine package, whether temperature sensitive or not, did not go beyond the allowed ranges. Since 2013, when the law came out, the only lawfully effective but highly inefficient solution is the use of temperature stabilized trucks and containers from third-party logistics providers. Obviously, it's going to be very expensive to transport all medicines using this method, especially when the vast majority of medicines are actually not temperature sensitive to the point of needing these massive refrigerated trucks. So there's no practical need to transport them in such an expensive way, yet it is necessary since there's no other way to definitively prove that their conditions have been controlled. Otherwise you're breaching the new law. So Modum solves this problem with their temperature reading RFID chips that are cheap enough to be scaled on this level. By using their proprietary chips, logistics and shipping companies can ship non-temperature sensitive medicines, which again are the majority, in cheap, non-temperature controlled methods and demonstrate that the temperature remained within allowed ranges. The mod sensor is added to the package of medicinal products before it is shipped. During delivery, it monitors the temperature conditions autonomously. When the recipient confirms the package delivery, the data is transferred to the Modum blockchain, where it issues a smart contract to ensure that the package always remained within the acceptable ranges. Once in the blockchain, it is immutable, unable to be changed, and is publicly accessible. Both the recipient and the distributor can immediately confirm that the package was always kept in acceptable temperature ranges for the duration of the shipment. The pilot trials conducted with the largest last-mile logistics company in Switzerland concluded that the pharma industry can save 60% of their shipping costs with the Modum solution. In other words, the cost of using the Modum solution is 60% cheaper per shipment. That adds up very quickly. Going back to the regulations, it is difficult to imagine big pharmas and delivery services all around the EU ignoring the 60% cost reduction once Modum is ready to scale and has definitively proved their system works. Modum plans to finalize this first integration in Q4 of 2017 using the first of their series of proprietary temperature loggers. Upon successful completion, official market entry in Switzerland will begin in Q1 of 2018. Clients are already lined up. And here are some additional features that they're developing at the moment. Moisture, humidity, light, acceleration, movement. I'm very excited about the prospects of their future product lineup and how it will help them expand beyond their initial use case. To help fundraise capital for their endeavors, Modum has issued tokens that can be treated as shares in the company. They will release 18 million, or 60%, of the total 30 million tokens. The company will keep 9 million, or 30% of the tokens themselves, and another 3% will go to marketing and early advisors, and 7% were sold in the pre-sale. Token holders will be able to vote on whether milestones were achieved, and they will also receive a portion of the company's profits and dividends, converted to Ether and sent to a wallet. It's targeting big pharma, and that's a lot of potential money they can tap. And it's pretty easy to root for them because their product is absolutely going to help people and make sure we're providing the best medicine possible. And that's really awesome. So definitely give Modum a look over because it's a great coin and potentially a very lucrative investment. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was helpful and made you think a little bit. If you enjoyed the video, I'd be honored if you gave it a like. And if you're new here and want to continue to see high quality crypto analysis, by all means hit that subscribe button and definitely check out my other videos too. All right, see you guys in the next one. Peace.